Yeah, hello, people. So this is Dolaga George. Once again, I did it. Today, I'll keep it simple. You know why? Yes, a lot of people think big. A lot of people have big dreams they want to achieve, they want to accomplish. But many times on their way, as they try to make things work, they get a lot of challenges. They get a lot of voices telling them, "Don't do this, don't do that. Try do this. This thing is not paying. I don't know." Currently, we're in the space where AI is the new norm, where AI is everything. We can see how impactful it has already given us an insight on how better we can be productive and even automate many of our uh, tedious job that we tend not to deliver sometimes. And this is the catch here. Why will somebody embraces the AI, and why will the other say, "I don't want AI"? Yes, where's the gap? Where's the disparity? The fact is that we've been existing without AI, and people have been being creative, being innovative. People have been coming up with new concept, with new ways of doing things, with enhancing maximum productivity and enhancing efficiency, and yeah, perhaps an output that will have an enormous maximum output to the majority of those people who who are the consumer of a certain product, where people come up with. You see, this is the catch here. You know, we are in a space where everybody has to come up with something. If you don't make food, you'll not eat. Basically, if you don't get up and do something for yourself, nothing happens. If you don't open your mouth and start speaking, all you'll hear is silence. And of course, looking at that aspect is, why are we stagnant, or why are we still? You see, a lot of people are experimenting how better they will want to have a utopian way of life. Some people will say uh, it is kind of an affluent society. They're looking on how they can get to a space where they've achieved all their necessary dreams. They've done everything that the basic human can think of. And now people are thinking of going to space. People are thinking of making other planets safer for them, and perhaps to be able to live and thrive. Because, of course, you can tell we are all doing destructive things on our end in this world. So, in the space of tech, where do we fall advantageous as African youth? Yes, I want to emphasize on this aspect where is our strength in terms of, now we know the way. A lot of people have been doing it. We've been consumer, not even first consumer. We've been seventh generation consumer. We don't get to see first hand technology transfer. We don't get to quickly adopt new technology. We sometimes get left behind, and not sometimes, every time. You can see we are in a space where people are minting trillion. I don't know. There's no country which has a bigger budget than some conglomerate corporates like big tech companies. Yes. What is the catch? What is the new trend? Where do we get left behind? Where should we catch up? Let's have a new aspect of, and I like this thing. I don't know, the Department of Science, Research and Innovations. That is something very critical. Speaking of science, science, research and innovation gives people the opportunity to think. It gives people the opportunity to experiment. It gives people the opportunity to think beyond the normal culture of how they do their things. Comparatively, you will see people thrive in a space where they are being given challenges to accomplish. They are being given vision to fulfill. Where is our strategy? Where is our industrial, not just industrial, but where is our AI strategy? Yeah, even President Trump recently signed an executive order worth five, is it 5 trillion or something, 1 trillion US dollar AI bill. that will give another the chance of American children to get to learn AI as soon as they are born. What will that have an impact on their country, and where is our country in that aspect? I don't want to talk much, but I just want to leave this narrative for you to pick up on it. And yeah, of course, yeah, you can be a devil's advocate and challenge my thoughts so I can think deeper and come with another quality, a perspective that will align with our collective goal to have an affluent society for ourselves through enhancing our global participation and meaningful participation in the digital space where everybody must not be left behind. Yep. Cheers. Bye bye.